flawlessly.
Perfect job.
Pretty small. That's crazy. It passed the capacity, it passed the cold temperature charging protection, it also passed the over amperage protection. All right, and what we have is the WattCycle 12V 100Ah lithium iron phosphate mini battery. And this thing is pretty small. The mini is 8.5 inches long, about 8.5 inches tall, and the depth is right around 6 inches. And the weight of the mini is 21.7 pounds. That's crazy. So you're looking at a lot smaller of a form factor when it comes to the mini, but you're getting the same amount of energy. 13.18, that is perfect. And what we have is 105.15 amp hours of capacity. That battery did the 5-minute test at over 100 amps flawlessly.
And you can see that we are pulling right around 300 amps. And then here you can see that I waited about a minute, the battery shut itself off. So it actually did do the over amperage protection after about 1 minute.
Frozen, it's been in my freezer for 24 hours, and that is plenty of time. So let's go ahead and try it now. All right, connecting the negative. There we go. Perfect. That is exactly what it should do.